Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is your boy Tezzaboy, and today we'll be doing a DIY coilover suspension swap on a 2008 Lexus IS250. Stay tuned. What a go on, peeps. It's your boy Tezzaboy. Thanks for tuning in again, guys. Thanks for checking out the channel. I appreciate everyone who has been supporting through thick and thin. You see me? Yeah, man. These last few weeks, peeps, now I go around the thing. It's been a tough one trying to get content for you guys. You know, the COVID 30 bill is on pause for a while, and a lot of persons who I had confirmed to do vlogs with, you know you go, something came up or something happened, but still here doing it. So I have a little surprise for you guys. It's a bit out of the box. As you know, I have the Lexus, and it's been neglected for a while, and basically just want to start doing a few stuff on it. As you guys saw, the brake upgrade and stuff, it's still not 100%. I did go back and pull it down and do a few stuff, but it's still not 100%. So basically I am supposed to be collecting some suspension for the Lexus to go with the brakes that I had upgraded. However, peeps, I'm telling about this Jamaican custom thing, you know, man. Like, the people them charge me more for clear the little coilovers them more than what I pay for it. You understand? And it's been sitting here for over a week because I decided, say, yo, I'm not gonna pay them money there. I tried disputing it and everything, but I don't know if it go reach anywhere. But I'm here. I'm gonna go back into the courier service, try talking to them again and see what can happen. So I don't know, if all goes well, you guys will see the outcome of that. So yo, intro kinda long still, but yo, big up on yourself, peeps. Stay tuned. Gonna get right into it, alright? Yeah, it is here. It is here, peeps. It is here. So let's see. Box in a box. That's it. This is the unboxing. Box in a box. If know then style it, I give somebody a present and start with all a big box. Going 2-3 boxes down, and the box them get smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller until finally reach. Yeah, peeps, Lexi got coilovers suspension. Don't know. Peeps, this is the Rev 9 brand. I'll be testing it and giving you guys a review of how they are. These have the dampers, so street and track settings. Look out for that.
Tomorrow.
Today is the day, guys. Today is the day. So yo, we're gonna get cracking, see how best we can put on some of these coilovers on Lexi. So yo, the E30 fan Scovic 30 is here just the same, just on pause for a bit. Sorted out the brakes and thing now, so yo, everything up to par now, just giving you an update. So at first the brake system could not fit over, the caliper did not have as much reach to fit over the rotors, so we kind of cut the ears here and adjusted it so it can fit properly. Should be solid right now. So stay tuned for all that in the COVID 30 update. But today, dealing with Lexi. So get the tools out, get cracking. Alright guys, so in order to reach to the strut tower, you got to remove all the clips. Already removed mine, all the clips and the side trims. Oh, still a clip right here. Let's give it a good old yank and it should come off. So there you'll have access to the top of the struts, and these looks like 14. I'm gonna confirm. Alright, so 14mm peeps fits the top of the strut tower for the 2008 Lexus IS250, and then you will need a 19mm socket to pull the lower part of the strut, and this is a 10mm bolt that you will go ahead and remove to remove the brake line. So pretty much anything else that needs removing, I'll keep you guys posted as we go along. Alright, so update guys, I took off the first one. In order to remove it, you need to undo the 314 bolts at the top. I had to remove the spindle here that is connected to the upper control arm, and it's held in place by this is a 17 nut with a clip in it. You have to remove the clip, then remove the nut. I removed the link bar, but you don't need to remove that, so I went ahead and I screwed that back up. Also the 19 bolt, which fits right here for the bottom of the strut, and pretty much that's it. Comes right off, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. Alright, so all four of these are using the single bushing. The difference is the front ones are less protruded or are less projected outwards than the rear ones. The rear ones, the ears comes way out more, like here. So, and for coilovers, they go on either side. Once it eliminate which one is the front and which one is the rear, you can go ahead and use it on either side, left or right. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. Alright guys, so putting on the new coilovers. Yeah. There we go. Right. So from factory guys, there's a little sign here that says preloads are set from factory, do not touch these. They adjust this for the chassis type, so unless you're a professional and you know how to maneuver these, don't attempt to maneuver this. Just, you know, you can adjust the ride height from the top, from here, or just the height from this part here.
346 minutes later.
Alright, so peeps, I'm updating you guys. Took me a while to finally get both front ones on, and I am here adjusting the height of this left one here because the front wheel was on the fender and it was undrivable. So I'm just raising it a bit. So we can get it. So I'm working with a little tape measure. The other side is about 2.5. So I need to get this one there as well. Moment of truth, peeps, moment of truth. It's time to do the test. So, yeah, 2 fingers barely. 2 fingers barely. And that's when it's in the ear. I'm gonna jack it down now, see what's going on. Well, I guess when it rides down, when it drives and rides down, you guys will see what level it's on, but you can always go back and adjust it. So I'm gonna do the other side. So that's the update, peeps. Did the front and the rear. And push my fist under there. So the rear is not yet done. We'll get to that in a bit. Probably tomorrow, if we feel like it, or tonight maybe. Stay tuned. Let's check this out, peeps. Static. Static. Yo, this can't drive. It can't drive. I have to go up back a little bit. Yo, have a buzz. Feel on the fender, peeps. Have a vibe still. Alright, so peeps, we decided to take on the rear ones in the night. Check it out. 265 Right. So since I bought the car, this rear shocks has been, you know, burst and leaked out. So basically it's been gone for a while now. Been needing some replacement, but I decided to go full coilovers instead of buying a simple strut. It's worth it in the long run, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace the rear ones now. Alright guys, so you have 3 14mm bolts in the back, which holds the entire strut in place, that you have to remove. And then under here it's a 19mm, and the 19mm you have to remove these two, and maybe the link bar, which is a this is what, a 14, so 17, sorry, millimeter. So I'm gonna try removing these two first, which I just already loosened, and then let's see what happens. Yo peeps, it is 4:31 and I just finished putting on the coilovers, but guess what? Can't drive, it's too low. It is slammed. It is slammed, peeps. Look, like, see if I can show you. Like, finger can't go underneath. Yo, crazy. Finger can't go underneath. It's slammed. So one by one I'll be taking off the wheels and doing the adjustments.
The next morning.
So yo, later on that morning, yeah peeps, whole night haven't slept. It's about to 7 a.m. in the morning now, and basically I just finished adjusting the coilovers for the second time, and this is how it looks. So I haven't tested it yet, so I'm gonna do that right now and give you guys some updates. Might have a little brush in here, but let's see. It's like less than a finger. Let's see. And it has started. No life already. So might have to go back up with the front about ½ inch, maybe a ¼ inch. Need to get rid of these fat tires though. The wash. Today is the day.
Wow.
Junior.
I
free now.
I free now.
Out the road.
Zimmy.
Boy, last time we see this DX. You know, it was hooked up to the van out there, heading up here.
Use it.
People. Another one in the camp, you know. It's heading back to the lab to put a heart in it.